gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog on this gray, gloomy little Tuesday. Although it's not supposed to rain today. I'm on my way to Dumbo, to my jobby job. You know, a little thing that pays the bills. It might be shocking to you all that the vlogging does not pay the bills. But yeah, nonetheless, it's a gorgeous day. I had a great weekend. Went to the Catskills. That was fantastic. It's always a nice time. Oh yes. Made the light. That's sick. That doesn't happen often. For some reason it's telling me it's going to take a whole half hour to get to the office, which seems excessive. But yeah, the weekend was nice. The Catskills was nice. Everything was nice. Now I got a busy day ahead, but we got this. Not a big deal. Tomorrow I get to find out when my knee surgery is going to be. So that's going to be fun. That's going to be interesting. Wait, is there raindrops? There is raindrops. I didn't think it was supposed to rain. And I see raindrops. Interesting. All right, well, if it rains, it rains. And it's okay. Oh, look at that guy with the scooter. That's pretty ballsy. Look, he cut every... I mean, I've done that before. That's not that crazy. It's not that crazy of a move. I mean, it's not that impressive either. Bro, are you Anywho, let's take it easy. Being a little too spicy for no reason. Looks like it's going to be a full split. I had a little bit of a topic in mind, but I'm not sure if it's going to happen, because I cannot do a 30-minute commute today. Ladies and gents, we're back. I think we'll take it from here. Yeah, on today's little vlog, quick topic, super quick. Being nice to people, okay? Or being nice to people all the time, aka not being petty. You know, aka not taking small things to heart. The thing is, best friends, right? Let me paint the scenario. Best friends. Are allowed to say whatever they want to each other, right? Literally. Thank you. And sometimes shit talking gets intense, but there's a fine line between shit talking and a dose of truth. Now, how do you feel about taking the high route versus being petty and, you know, going toe to toe, or remembering things, letting things go between friends, even though it hurts? I know I'm talking in codes. None of this makes sense. Anyway, so yeah, that's the topic. What does that mean? I'm asking you a question. Like, how do you go out of your way to be nice to people? Are you Mr. Positive? Do you just, you know, do all that? Or do you get cranky with your friends? Or, more importantly, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm asking you guys. You know what? I haven't processed. I got into a little tiffy with a friend where he, what I feel like did something uncalled for. Probably looking out for my best interests, but still. Look at this fucking guy going slow. Jerk off. Oh boy. There's always construction. It's a nice fancy sidewalk you got there. I like it. No, I got you. I got you. No stress. That's a cute machine. Alright, take a little left right here. They're really redoing all the sidewalks around here. Dope. Might as well check the spot right by my office. I mean, this spot right here could work, but it's all good. So yeah, that crank position sensor definitely fixed up my bike. Seems to run like a dream now. Ooh, we got a spot right there. Might have to go around the block, but that was a nice spot, and it's next to a Porsche, so you know nobody's gonna fuck with that. Alright, we'll see if I get my magic spot here, and if not, no standing anytime. There you go. I got room. It's perfect. This sick ass Range Rover is not going anywhere, and if it is, then I'll get it on camera. Right? Yeah, we're good. Not a bad spot. Oh, I could probably back off like that. There you go. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, so what license plate we got? W960165. And we're should be alright. Should be alright. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Everybody ride safe and enjoy your day. Bye.